Welcome to Atomic Bytes, and in this episode we're going to look at our timer project and work with our timer script. So we are going to add a UI canvas to display our timer now onto the game screen when the player plays the game. So I've got the canvas here, and I'm going to call this UI canvas just for clarity's sake in naming for me. And then we're going to work with this canvas by putting in another UI piece called the textbox, which is a Text Mesh Pro text box. So we're going to go ahead and import these Text Mesh Pro Essentials on the Text Mesh Pro Importer, or TMP. And I'm going to rename this UI Timer. So this object or text box is going to be where my timer will display in the game. And over here you can see on the right that we've got our text input field. And if we zoom out, we can see our text box here. And you can use the 3D tools to spin around so you can see this, or you can just go up to the 2D button here at the top of the screen and go into 2D mode. But this is adjusting in 3D. And it might be easier for you to just go here and select 2D. And it's a little easier to adjust. So this is what will be displayed. We've got new text there in the box. You can see your font size, your color. I'm going to go with a font size of 20, so that this is a font size of 20. And then this is where it is currently located. And so we're going to want to zoom out and see that we can relocate it up here in the upper left of our canvas. So we're going to go ahead and play this and check and see. There it is on the canvas. Thanks for watching.